Have you ever wondered that where does the water that we get through the wells come from? To know this, let us first see how rocks occur underground. Below the ground, the rock units generally occur as layers stacked one above the other. Some of these rocks have openings within them, called pores, and these pores may be filled with water. So such rock units which have pores filled with water and are capable of yielding water to wells are known as aquifers. In this simplified diagram, the blue colored layers represent aquifers. Wells are so constructed that they tap these aquifers. It is possible that water in some of the aquifers is fresh and in some other it is saline or of bad quality. Again, it is not necessary that aquifers will always be horizontal, as they may be inclined also, something like this.
Aquifers are the fundamental units of occurrence and movement of groundwater. Given the complexity of occurrence, characteristics, and behavior of aquifers, their proper understanding is a necessity as well as a challenge.
In this backdrop, the National Aquifer Mapping and Management Program, also known as the Naquim program, is taken up with 6 major objectives. 1. Delineating the horizontal and vertical extents of the aquifers. 2. Evaluating properties that control occurrence and movement of water in the aquifers. 3. Assessing chemical quality of water and its suitability for use. 4. Estimating different recharge and discharge components. 5. Identifying and quantifying the issues. And 6. Preparing aquifer management plans. The management plans thus prepared are shared with the state governments and the stakeholders at the grassroots level. A combination of various scientific tools and techniques are used for delineating and characterizing the aquifers. Hydrogeological mapping tells us about extent of the aquifers. Geophysical investigations provide indirect information about disposition of the aquifers beneath the surface. Drilling assisted groundwater exploration provide a lot of direct information regarding depth-wise extent of the aquifers and their properties. Pumping tests are carried out to know the storing and transmitting capacity of the aquifers. Chemical quality is assessed in the laboratories. Water levels are measured through the piezometers. All these information are synthesized to prepare the 3D aquifer models, characterize the aquifers, estimate quality of water and assess volume of water entering into and going out of the aquifers. Based on this information, the management plans are prepared. 2 basic aspects of management strategies are: number 1, supply side management, that is augmenting the groundwater resources. And this can be done through artificial recharge or managed aquifer recharge by construction of percolation tanks, recharge shafts, check dams or similar structures. The other strategy is reducing consumption. This can be achieved by improving irrigation efficiency through use of micro irrigation techniques like sprinklers, or by adopting less water consuming crops. The management strategies recommended as a part of Naquim involve both supply as well as demand side measures based on aquifer properties and other conditions. The final step is taking the outputs, the maps and the management plans to the public. The outputs are shared through reports and other forms through the website of CGWB. The maps and management plans so prepared are shared with the state governments through the state groundwater coordination committees. To reach out to the groundwater users at ground level, CGWB carries out block level training programs and public interaction programs. The studies completed so far have provided several newer insights into the groundwater scenarios and management alternatives. Naquim program is helping in plugging the knowledge gaps and empowering the stakeholders with usable information for sustainable management of groundwater resources in the country.